In this video, I'm going to be showing you the head and shoulders pattern that no one tells you about. Understanding this pattern on your chart will make you more money in cryptos, futures, forex, even if you trade derivative or you trade options. Understanding this will help you to avoid losses. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you to my chart right now, and I will show you this head and shoulders that many people failed to recognize, and I will be showing you live analysis of this pattern. By the way, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and if you are watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends that would love to learn more about forex and futures. So looking at this chart, okay, looking at this chart right now, what do you see? Many people will be looking for a sell. Okay, many people will be looking for a sell. This is a replay of the trade that I placed on actually on Friday, August 22nd. Now, taking a look at this, if you look at the forex calendar of that day, there was going to be a news by 9 a.m. The chairman, Fed Chair Powell speaks, okay, around that time. So, and I knew that, okay, this market definitely will have some movement, even though if you look at it, oh, you see the trend has been down, okay? The trend, looking at it right now, the trend has been down. And what they tell you from Forex Trading 101 or Futures Trading 101 is when the trend is down, then look to sell, okay? And then when the trend is up, look for buying opportunity. But then what they fail to tell you is there are some exceptions to that, because looking at this, take a look at this low here. This chart forms a low right there. This is a low, okay? Now look at this place right here. This is a higher low compared to this. So if you pick your trend line right here, you can see that this chart right there didn't make it to this down. So for you to be looking to sell this instrument, it therefore means that this, okay, this chart, okay, this price must break this trend line. Okay, does that make sense to you? So now looking at this, you will also see a format, a formation. You will see a pattern that no one is telling you about here. Take a look at this. What can you see right in this place? Take a look at this place here. Okay, take a look at this. Okay, take a look at this. Take a look at this. What do you see? If you join this to this and join this to this, this is the head right there. This is a shoulder, and this is a shoulder. Automatically, what I am expecting is for this to push back and go up. Okay, this is what I am expecting to happen. Now, many people lost this trade. Okay, many people lost this trade because they did not understand this concept that I am showing you. By the way, if you love to see more of this, okay, make sure you join our Telegram community right there. You will see the link at the description, and I'm going to be sharing my book, okay, the naked chart that I wrote with you for free right there. So make sure you hit that button, join our Telegram community. So take a look at that. So many people are looking to sell this. If you sell this, you go lose money. Okay, you go lose money. So let's see what is going to happen. There are different ways by which you can see if this trend is reversing. One of them is to use 20 simple moving average. Okay, 20 simple moving average. Like if you see it, another way you can say this is, okay, this is the low, this is the higher low, like I said, for you to buy, for you to sell this instrument, this must break this. So you might be selling to this point, but then it's even so dangerous. It's even so dangerous. That is why many people lose money when it comes to trading. So let's run. Let's see what happens right here. Let's see what happens. You see right there and there, you see a break. Look at this. You see a break. Even before this one, right there, you see the break of this. Right there, you see the break. So instead of you selling, can you see what is happening right there? So this is the, remember, this is the head. Okay, we're talking about head and shoulder right here. Let's change this color. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so taking a look at this. Once again, this is the head. This right here is the shoulder. This is another shoulder. So if you draw this to this and this to this, like I said, we are expecting this to go up. So what do? So let's assume that, okay, you want to place this trade in futures, and the same thing also you can do in Forex. You can just put your buy right there. Now, where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will definitely, okay, we're going long. Your stop loss comes below this, okay, below this red candle. You can do 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. What does that mean? It means if you are risking $100, you are going after $200. If you are risking $1,000, you are going after $2,000. Let's run it and see how the trade goes. Awesome. You see right there? You see right there? Now, it comes back and boom. Okay, it comes back. Many people, okay, we exit this trade at this point right here. But then if your stop loss is right here, it didn't make it there, or what it just did is it broke out, it came back to retest this 20 simple moving average and continue pushing up. Do you see that? So many people failed this particular one. Many people lost this trade. In fact, I was chatting with one of my students and he told me that he was actually selling. He sold right here. He sold this right here. No, you shouldn't have sold. You should have been looking to buy, because if you understand this chart pattern, you will understand that this is head and shoulders formation. I hope somebody got something. Okay, if you have any question, make sure you leave your questions at the comment section. Once again, like this video, share with your friend, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join our Telegram community. I'm going to be sharing some useful nugget for you guys right there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you at the top.